Congress and other opposition parties claim that parliamentary norms have been flouted by the government. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju has hit back. He slammed the Congress for politicizing the appointment of pro tem speaker and asserted that conventions were followed in selecting BJP leader Bharatuhari Mehtab. He argued that 7-term MP Mehtab has the longest uninterrupted tenure at present. On Congress's claim that K. Suresh, who is an 8-term MP, should have been appointed pro tem speaker instead, Rijiju pointed out that though he is an 8-term MP, he was not a member of the Lok Sabha in 1998 and 2004 and hence did not have an uninterrupted tenure in Lok Sabha. The minister cited past precedents to claim that the UPA government had ignored seniority principle in 2004 when it appointed 8-term member Balasaheb Vikhe Patil as the pro tem speaker when 9-term MP George Fernandes was a member of the Lok Sabha.
2004 में बालासाहेब विखे पाटिल जी को मनमोहन सिंह जी के सरकार के समय में प्रो टेम स्पीकर बनाया, जो 8वीं टर्म एमपी थे। विखे पाटिल साहब 8 टर्म एमपी थे। उस समय उसी हाउस में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी 10 टर्म्स एमपी थे, जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस साहब 9 टर्म्स एमपी थे, गिरिधर गोमांगो 9 टर्म्स एमपी थे, 3 उससे सीनियर थे। फिर भी विखे पाटिल साहब को प्रो टेम स्पीकर बनाया जब सोमनाथ चटर्जी स्पीकर के लिए उसका नाम तय हो गया था। मैं आपको साफ साफ बताना चाहता हूं, जो भी कदम उठाया है प्रो टेम स्पीकर का नियुक्त बिल्कुल नियम के मुताबिक हुए हैं। नियम के मुताबिक श्री भर्तृहरि मेहताब 7 बार कॉन्जिक्यूटिव एमपी बने हैं।
Well, this stinging counter by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister comes after Congress claimed that the BJP government flouted norms by not appointing K. Suresh, an 8-term Lok Sabha MP, to the post of pro tem speaker. Congress accused the BJP of trying to impose dictatorship. Other opposition leaders, including Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan, also echoed the same and alleged that the appointment of Mehtab shows BJP's blatant disregard for democratic principles.
ये बिल्कुल संसदीय परंपरा के खिलाफ है। देखिए, परंपरा क्या है, ट्रेडिशन कन्वेंशन क्या कहता है। परंपरा के अनुसार सबसे वरिष्ठ सांसद नियुक्त किए जाते हैं। इस बार देखिए, कोड़ीकेनेल सुरेश का टर्न बनता है, उनकी बारी आती है, 8 टर्म है, 8वां टर्म है, पर उनको नहीं नियुक्त किया जाता है। और भर्तृहरि महताब को, जिसका 7वां टर्म है, 6 टर्म उनका बीजेडी का है और अभी 7वां टर्म बीजेपी का है, उनको नियुक्त किया जाता है। तो इसके मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है। बट मेरे मन में 2 विचार हैं। एक तो यह है कि ये टकराव की राजनीति है, ये बुलडोजर की राजनीति की मानसिकता से ये हटे नहीं है।
Mr. Kiran Rijiju, as the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, starts with a mistake. Pro tem speaker is usually the senior most member, and this time Mr. Kodikunal Suresh from Kerala, who is an 8-time MP and a scheduled caste MP, is superseded by the BJP candidate Mr. Mehtab. Why seniority and merit being overlooked? Because he is a Dalit, because he is an 8-time MP, because he is a Congress MP.
पार्लियामेंट्री प्रैक्टिस सिर्फ नियम और संविधान से नहीं चलती, परंपराओं से चलती। क्या 2 दिन 3 दिन का, 4 दिन का, और क्या होगा। भाजपा कितना डरी हुई, खुद पे विश्वास नहीं उसको, कि एक 8 टर्म के स्पीकर प्रो टर्म स्पीकर हो सकते थे सुरेश, पर वो कांग्रेस के, हम उनको नहीं बनाएंगे। हम उनसे बहुत जूनियर मेहताब जी को बनाएंगे क्योंकि वो भाजपा के। तो आप लोकतंत्र की लगातार जो ये हत्या कर रहे हो, ये लोकतंत्र के लिए शुभ संकेत नहीं।
Sabyasachi is getting us more details. So politics now peaking on the issue of appointment of pro tem speaker as well.
Well, absolutely. You see, the war of words has broken out between the centre and the opposition parties regarding the appointment of the pro tem speaker. See, as per the norms which the Congress say that the senior most MP who has the largest amount of terms should be the pro tem speaker, and these circumstances K. Suresh should have been made the pro tem speaker. But the Congress is alleging that the BJP went out of the norms, as it has been happening that under the BJP government they have been destroying the parliamentary norms, and this time as well they have been doing dictatorship, and that is the reason why instead of K. Suresh, who deserved to be the pro tem speaker, instead of him, Bhartrihari Mahatab had been made the pro tem speaker from the BJP. So on one hand we have seen that the justification has come in from the parliamentary affairs ministers, but on the other hand both the Congress party and other India Alliance partners has been attacking the BJP. In fact, they have questioned that Kiran Rijiju's first term as the parliamentary affairs minister, and this is the first mistake that he has made.